Guys, this is my 5x8 trailer. It's just a regular 5x8 and then the top was added. It's got some shelving, solid metal frame, solid ceiling, roof, all welded together. It's not very big, but it has a lot of room. Got like a metal tin roof, and these little bars, they're bolted down, perfect for ladders. We got working lights. Check it out. It's almost 5 feet wide on the inside. You gotta think about 50 inches, 50 something to the top. So a 4x8 sheet of plywood would easily fit in here, either on the bottom or straight up. Check it out. So the roof racks, they're bolted right through the metal frame. I mean, this thing's built better than some of the new stuff today. You got the original wood floor. So check it out. It's not any taller than my van, so it's easy to tow. Perfect for construction, something. But yep. Well, if you guys like this, subscribe.